So if you didn't see already in the title, which I'm sure you did, that's why you clicked on this video, I decided to do the blindfolded makeup challenge, and I think I actually did kinda okay, besides my eyeliner. Like, eyeliner, eyebrows are the two worst things. Other than that, I could honestly make this work, I think. Anyways, if you guys want to see the process of me doing this, I recreated this look. I show it later in the video though. If you guys want to see the process of me doing my makeup without looking in the mirror at all, then definitely go ahead and keep watching. Okay, you guys, this feels so weird. I should do this more often, but the autofocus on my camera just kind of sucks. I'm like still paranoid it's not even recording. Okay, it is. So today I am doing the blindfolded makeup challenge. So I don't have any mirrors and I don't even have my viewfinder turned around. I'm very nervous. I don't think this is gonna turn out too great. I used to be able to do this really good when I used to do my makeup on the bus on the way to school. And I'm not too confident in my skills at this point anymore. I really wanted to challenge myself with a cat eye and a red lip just to look as ridiculous as possible. So I've got everything laid out in front of me and I've chosen products that don't have mirrors attached to the lid. So I'm not gonna know at all what I look like until I'm done with this video. So I guess I'll start with foundation. No, I don't actually want to start with foundation because knowing me, I'm gonna have a lot of fallout. We'll start with the eyes. Okay, so I'm going in with my, oh my gosh, this one has a mirror. Okay, I'm gonna keep the palette flat so that I can't look in the mirror. I'm stressed out. Okay, I'm gonna take the transition shade. It's in the shade Danger. I can't even show you guys. This is the strangest feeling. Okay. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I don't even know if it's showing up. I'm really excited to see what this looks like when I'm done. By the way, if you see red on my fingers, it's because I was painting something before this, so. Now I'm going in with the second darkest shade. It's called Harajuku. It's a Japanese word that I just really don't know how to pronounce. And I also put my phone away or on airplane mode, and I only have the picture of the makeup that I'm trying to do showing. So, okay. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do my eyebrows? That is gonna be a mess. I'm gonna put that same color on my waterline. I feel like I'm gonna look like I have a black eye, but it's fine. I'm taking the third darkest color and I'm only gonna apply that in my crease. I'm using the same brush for all of this just cause like, whatever. It's fine. What if this turns out really good? Like what if I'm really good at this? I'm gonna take my finger and take a highlighter shade. This one's in the shade Bathwater. I'm also gonna use Blonde and I'm gonna apply that on my brow bone. And kind of use my finger to like blend that in. I'm also going to use that as an inner corner highlight. So I'm going in with my Born This Way foundation. I'm going to pump some of that on the back of my hand and get my beauty blender wet. I'm just going to way over blend this probably. Now I'm gonna do cream contour, which is also pretty ambitious, but it's fine. I've got it. Ooh. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia. These probably aren't in focus, but like there's no way for me to know unless I cheat. So sorry guys. I'm gonna take the dark shade from that palette on a brush. And oh my gosh, that might have been a lot. I'm gonna put that on my forehead. I have a feeling this is gonna look absolutely ridiculous. Now I'm gonna do my cheekbones. So now I'm gonna do highlighting, but I really hate the highlighters in this palette. I think I just need to add more oil to them because they're really dried up. But anyways, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. under my eyes. And this stuff is so pigmented. I'm not gonna use a lot. I feel like that was already a lot. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna know where I have pimples that I need to cover up? Okay, this is one. I have no idea. Oh my gosh, this is so stressful. Let's hope that was in the right area, and I'll put some in between my brows and my smile lines, chin. I already forgot where I put it, but I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, hopefully, I think that was everywhere. Let me try to remember. I think I'm good. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm very nervous. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia. You guys always roast me for how I say this. I don't know how to say it. Can somebody please comment below? Like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm using the shade Taupe, and it's just the brow pomade, and I'm gonna attempt to do my brows with no mirror. Okay. These are my eyebrows. Oh, shoot. I don't even know if this is putting anything on my eyebrows. I can't even tell if the brush is facing the right way. Stressful. Now, I'm going to, I don't think I'm gonna set my face because my face is so dry. I really honestly haven't been using powder lately because like the product just absorbs into my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with blush. I'm gonna use this one from Bare Minerals. It's in the shade On the Mauve. I'm avoiding the two hardest things until the end. I feel like I'll be able to do my lips because I just feel like I'll be able to. I've done my lips without looking a bunch of times with like pretty dark mauve-y colors and it looked fine. I've never done red though, and that makes me a little nervous. I have to do lip liner. Whatever. Okay, her blush is a way more peachy than the one I picked, so I'm gonna go in with this one from Milani. Ew, a hair. Oh, I'm gonna go in with this one from Milani in the shade Tea Rose. It has a mirror, I'm not looking, I'm putting it flat on my desk. Proof. Okay. I'm gonna take the highlighter shade from that palette though, the brightest one. And with the same brush I used for the rest of my face, I'm gonna apply it here on my cheekbones. And she also has it pretty intensely on her chin. And on the bridge of her, not the bridge, the tip of her nose, and like right here in between the eyebrows. What if this turns out good and then like I don't even have a funny thumbnail? I hope I mess it up at least a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some also on my forehead. I'm nervous I didn't put enough eyeshadow. I'm gonna put more. I'm gonna take from the Carly Bible palette the darkest shade in that. Just tap it once and put that in my crease. And I'm gonna put a little bit the lower lash line too. Okay, so she also has her brows combed up pretty intensely, so I'm gonna take my Maybelline Great Lash. This looks crusty. I should definitely get a new one. Whatever. It's just because I mix, like the pomade gets mixed up in the brush and then I keep putting it back in there. I'm sure you guys understand. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get like that fluffy brow effect. Okay, so we've reached that point. It is time to do eyeliner. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Liner Pen in the shade Black and attempt to do a winged liner. Okay, I'm gonna just try to, oh my God, I'm touching my eye, I'm touching my eye. Oh, I feel like this is off. How do I know if it's showing up? Okay, it's definitely full of product. Okay, now I'm gonna do the wing. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to connect it. I don't know how to connect it because I can't see where I did it. I have no idea what that looks like. Okay, moving on. Okay, I did the wing, I think. I feel like I just opened my eyes and it transferred onto my upper lid. I feel like I did the second one way worse than I did the first. We'll see. Hopefully, maybe at least if they're bad, they're at least even. I don't think that's the case though. Now I guess I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna take this one from MAC. I should really sharpen this, but I don't know where my sharpener is, so it's not gonna happen. It's in the shade Chicory. And I'm just gonna overline my lips because hers are obviously overlined. Really hope I'm in frame right now. I always go off frame when I do my lips, even when I have the viewfinder right in front of me. Watch this be the one time I actually get it on frame. I'm gonna laugh. I just realized I forgot to do mascara, so I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Falsies Volume Express in the shade Black Drama. Now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty. This is a beautiful shade, and I feel like it's probably what they honestly used on this girl. But this stuff is so pigmented and it comes out with so much product on the brush that I have a hard time using it even when I have a mirror. So I thought it would be fun to use when I don't. I'm gonna wipe off as much as I can. Bottom lip. Look at the picture, make sure there's nothing else I needed to do. I think I did everything. I'd have to look at my face. I think I did everything. Okay. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm gonna look at myself. I have no idea. I feel like I probably have lipstick all over my teeth. Okay, I'm gonna look at myself now. I'm scared. Do I have stuff on my teeth? Okay, I'm looking. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I like actually. Oh, okay, I did get, I knew it. I got eyeshadow, or I got eyeliner on my eye. I did pretty good. I'm shocked. Okay, if I go blind, like, it's fine. No, it's not. I really don't want to lose my vision. That was insensitive, but I could at least still do my makeup, I feel like. I even did pretty good. Like, the eyeliner isn't bad. Okay, I'm gonna put my viewfinder back. Eyebrows could definitely use some work. You can see like the obvious lines. They need some blending. Lips did pretty good for a red lip. Like, that's pretty good. I only messed up like right there. Eyeliner, I accidentally did a double wing, but I mean, it kind of looks intentional maybe. My foundation looks good, but that's like the easy part. I feel like most people do good on that. My highlighter could use a little bit more blending. Yeah, and then I knew when this happened, I knew I got eyeliner on my eye. I felt it like get wet up there, so that sucks, but it's okay. Mascara pretty good. Overall, not like as bad as I was anticipating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I highly encourage you, even if you don't have a YouTube channel at home, to just try this because it's like really fun to challenge yourself. And if you do and you decide to post it, or you just want to send it to me, go ahead and send it to me on Instagram. I'll have that linked right here and down below, and be sure to hit the bell so that you'll be notified, because I will be uploading every day up until Christmas, so that's super fun. And if you're not subscribed, then be sure to subscribe down below if you choose to do so. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.